The next part, I can't see it. All right. There we go. I don't have my little switcher on my phone to do it with the mouse. Yeah. So here we go. Baby, I Love You Way, Peter Frampton. And I don't know the lyrics. I never do. But, you know, just want to give you guys an idea what we're working on here. I don't teach singing. I teach piano playing. That's what we're going to do. So let's get started with the part 1 here. But I am Shawn Cheek of webpianoteacher.com. And I teach a different way. We actually are reading music, but it's not music notation. It's a different way to read, and it works for a lot of people who maybe just love music, but music reading has been a roadblock, and they find this method and they just go to town and they, they just play everything they want to play. So let's get into it. Let me get back to the board here. And we have a neat sound on here on the Kauai. It's just one of the bank sounds where they kind of mix some of the electric pianos that they have, and the old vintage sounds, and this is kind of a standard one I'll go to. It has a nice little, if you want something like that. Then it has a nice kind of pad sound too, so it's pretty versatile. So we're going to start with G on the left hand, right hand D, G, B. Okay. If you are a member of the website, you can download these sheets. This is just kind of the beginning of it. So we're just kind of, they're just strumming the guitar. It's more guitar driven than it is, even though there's a keyboard in there, and we do all the solo stuff that's in there as well. You get to learn how to play all of that, but it's not keyboard driven. It's guitar driven. So we have to kind of do a rhythm. So you have to, if you just kind of drum on a desk or something, that'll kind of give you a feel for it, and then you can get to the chords. And so if I'm ever teaching someone how to vamp, we don't play the piano. We drum on a table, or bongos are great. You do that. It's kind of like wax on, wax off on the Karate Kid. So that's how you learn to do that. D, G, B on the right, left hand on a G. D, F sharp, A, D, the next chord, F sharp on the bass. Okay, so it's and now we have E minor 7, E, G, B, D on the right, left hand on an E. You need to make a big deal about it, da, 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 because the bass does that. C chord now, G, C, E. And then this is a B minor 7, A, D, F sharp on the right, B on the left. So da, ba, 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 A, B, C, D. Right hand, C, E, G, A. So this is an A minor 7. And then when you hit the D, you do C, E, G on the right hand. Then you start the singing. Da, da, ba, da, 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 for my eyes. I don't know the words. So the intro again. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that part 1. We'll finish it on the site, and I'll talk to you later. I'm Shawn, and I've taught thousands of people all over the world to play the music they love using my whiteboard method for piano. If you've struggled in the past and want to try a different way to learn, sign up for a free account today at webpianoteacher.com.